YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making some stewed turkey wings. If you want to see how I achieve these delicious turkey wings, then follow my video. Hey YouTube, today I am going to make a stewed turkey, but first I'm going to show you how I prepare the turkey before I stew it. So first let's start with washing the turkey. So this is like 2.26 pounds right here. Now I forget to mention this is turkey wings, cut up turkey wings. That's white vinegar right here. I'm going to pour it in there. Let's give you a closer look at the turkey, so I'm going to wash it. Let's add some more vinegar. Okay, so the washing process is over. Now I'm going to put in some adobo seasoning right here, because I'm going to like season it before I stew it. Black pepper, I'm going to measure it so you could see. 1 tablespoonful. Now you have fresh blended garlic, 1 tablespoonful. You have fresh seasoning here, and this is all my peppers, the green, the yellow, the red, and I also added onions to it. 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoonful. And I'm going to add a little Szechuan with no MSG in there. And that's it. I'm going to mix it together. Now I'm going to leave it in that fresh seasoning and all the seasonings I put in there so that it could take the seasoning real good for like about half an hour while I take care of my other stuff. Okay, I'll see you in half an hour. There guys, I've finished seasoning the turkey and I said I'll be back in half an hour. I'm back. Now these are the remaining seasonings I need and the ingredients that I'm going to use to finish the turkey. So here I have a spoonful of tomato paste, 1 head of celery stick, a half a teaspoonful of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoonful of brown sugar, 2 tablespoonful of garlic, blended garlic, 2 carrots, 2 tablespoonful of blended fresh seasonings, which is all the peppers, onions, like green peppers, red peppers, yellow peppers, onions, and celery. Now I have 1/2 teaspoonful of fresh thyme. Here I'm going to add the fresh thyme, the blended seasonings, the turmeric, fresh garlic, and the celery sticks. Just showing you where I'm mixing all the seasonings together again. There guys, I'm gonna add 2 tablespoonfuls of vegetable oil, it all over the pot, get the oil so that it don't burn the sides of the pot. Then I'm going to add the brown sugar. Guys, you have to wait until the sugar turns to liquid, and then you keep stirring it. See, it turns to liquid and it gets this nice brown color. You do not want it to be too brown or too light, because you want it to have the perfect color. Because if it's too brown, that means it's burnt and it's going to taste burnt. So there you go. See, it turns right here, it turned to a nice rich color. See here? That's it. For the turkey into it now. I'm going to leave it, I'm not going to mix it too much. I'm going to leave it here so it could take the color for 5 minutes. Guys, this is the 5 minutes, and now I'm going to turn it so the other sides could get the color. And as you can see, I'm going to allow it to stew in its own liquid. I'm going to cover it up again, and I'll be checking it back in 2 minutes. Guys, I'm going to check it now. Give it another turn. I'm going to cover it up and let it set again for another 2 minutes. Let it dry in its own liquid. I'll be back in 2 minutes to check it. Guys, I'm back. Now all that's left is the oil in the bottom. Now the stewing is going to get intense. So the little bit of oil intensifies the stewing. See? Now guys, I'm going to add a 12-ounce bottle of water, as you could see here. I'm going to add the carrots. The tomato paste. I'm going to let it boil for 30 minutes because that's when it's going to be cooked. But I'll be back in 10 minutes to check it. I'm gonna cover it up. Every time you put something new, you cover it up. Guys, the 10 minutes is up and I'm here to check it to see if it needs more salt. So let's taste. It's always good to taste to see how much more salt you need. Okay, so now I'm going to add, it needs some more salt, so I'm going to add a chicken bouillon right here. That should be just enough for it. So here it is. Then I'm just going to cover it up and I'll be back in 20 minutes. By then it should be ready. See you in 20 minutes. There we have it, guys. The turkey is cooked. The stewed turkey wing is ready to go. So let's stir it up for you to see. It looks delicious. And it took an hour to cook on medium. Well, guys, I am going to have this with some yellow rice and corn on the cob. As you could see, guys, this is what I'm going to have it with. The stewed turkey wings, the rice, corn, and the carrots you see here. I put it to boil with the stewed turkey so that I could give it the flavor. And also, it helped me to have an extra vegetable. See? That's a smart idea. Try it. You will love it. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thank you, guys. See you soon.